I'm doing a house tour. Let's just get right into it. So this is my living room, the big TV, a shelf, and then a chair, and then of course my pine. Then we have a nice sofa, basketball, and sofa there. My mom. Hello. This is the kitchen, and then this is the toilet. Another toilet over there, and then this is my room, where I have a double-decker bed with my gaming setup. Yeah, I know I'm only 9 years old, so don't roast me. I don't have a good setup. And then this is my sister's room. My sister is studying right now.
Hey guys, what's up?
And then this is her gaming setup.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, and she's 12 years old. And guys, now we have one more God picture. Then the gate is, I just have a football over here. I have a gate over here. I'm in an apartment. So I'm just playing football right now. Yeah guys, so this is my skills. I'm not trying to do a rainbow. That was close. Let me set up the camera here. Let's see, like that was close. Let me try one more time. Let me try last one more time. After this, I don't know. After that, this is my school backpack. And then yeah, let me just play some more football. You can see. Yeah, so guys, this is me playing football. Alright, now let's get into it. This is my TV. I just watching stuff right now. I'm making a video. So I'm gonna just go to one video. Okay, and guys, after that, fish tank, but no fish because I went to India for fun, and now we need someone to pet it, and no one is there. And the sun is so bright. Okay, then this is the view over here. I'm on the 4th floor, and see, it's so bright up there. Sun burning my eyes, and yeah, that's the house tour. So bye guys. Woo! Always, I'm gonna make merch also. You're gonna say like little fam on top at LF40. So yeah, LF40 on top. So remember to subscribe and like.